Shmai Bob. Today we're going to be looking at adding negative numbers. Rule 1. When you're adding numbers with the same sign, you add the numbers and keep the sign. Let me explain. So in question 1, we've got a positive 8, add a positive 2. So if I use a number line, I remember when adding positive numbers, because we're adding a positive 2, we move to the right. So let's start with 8. We move 2 spaces to the right. We see our answer's 10, which I know we all know. Let's have a look at this one. Negative 8, add negative 2. When we add negative numbers, we move to the left. And here we're adding a negative 2. So we start at negative 8. We move 2 spaces to the left. We see our number is a negative 10. Another quick way, because the signs are the same, we could just do the 8 add 2 is 10. And because both numbers are negative, our answer is going to be negative. What do we do if we've got a positive and a negative in our calculation? There's 2 parts to this rule. So when we're adding numbers with different signs, you subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the largest number. Let me explain. So here we've got a negative 8 and we've got a positive 2. Because we've got a negative and a positive number, we change the sum to a subtraction. 8 take away 2, we know is 6. Now the second part says we keep the sign of the largest number. Which is the largest number? The 8 is the largest number and it's a negative. So we know our answer's going to be negative. Let's just try it on a number line though to check. Don't forget, when we're adding positive numbers, we move to the right. We are adding a positive 2. So we start with our negative 8 and we move 2 spaces to the right. Negative 7, negative 6. Well done. Let's have a look at this one. We've got a positive 8 and a negative 2. Again, we have 2 different signs, so we change the calculation to a subtraction. 8 take away 2, and we know that's 6. Now, which number is the largest? 8 is the largest, and it's positive, so our number needs to be positive. Let's just check on our number line, though. So when adding negative numbers, we move to the left and we are adding a negative 2. So we start at 8 and we move to the left 2 spaces. 7, 6. Well done. Have a go at these and upload them to Seesaw for your teacher to see. Good luck, guys.